mismo doon sa Senado ang pagdukot sa mga dokumento. Mandurukot talaga to si Lasso. Pagdukot sa mga dokumento na personal, okay, ni former Agent Morales na ibinuragwag niya doon para character assassination, which is what? Dismissed and acquitted naman siya, but more on mga personal data ni Morales. Captain Agent Morales, if you are listening right now, I hope you can consult your lawyer. Pwede nyo nang kasuhan ayon sa ating palangga dito, alright, na ito po ang nilabag. Yan, Miss Maharlika, ito ang nilabag ni Lasso. Chapter 8, Penalty Section 25, Unauthorized Processing of Personal Information and Sensitive Personal Information. Chapter 7, Security of Sensitive Personal Information in Government. Section 2, Responsibility of Heads of Agencies, which is si Lasso. All sensitive personal information maintained by the government, its agencies, and instrumentalities shall be secured as far as practicable with the use of the most appropriate standard recognized by the information and communications technology industry and as recommended by the Commission. The head of each government agency or instrumentality shall be responsible for complying with the security requirements mentioned herein, while the Commission shall monitor the compliance and may recommend the necessary action in order to satisfy the minimum standards. See?